Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to look at another example of writing the code in HTML for another web page with a different set of tags. So we will begin with the parent tag, that is HTML. Close HTML. Before this, we will write the doc type. That is, the document type is HTML. This tag defines the document type of the document. Since this is an HTML file, it should be defined as a doc type HTML. Next, we start with the HTML. Within HTML, we have the head section, open head tag and close head tag, open body tag and close body tag. Within the head section, we have the title, let us say the title is encryption home. Next, we will write the meta tag within the head section. What is a meta tag? It defines the meta information of the web page, which is not displayed on the screen as content of the web page, but it is read by the search engine bots to understand what the web page is about. So meta, name equal to, what type of meta information is this? So name equal to description, content equal to cyber security. This defines the meta information that the description for this page is cyber security. Next, meta keyword, content equal to encryption and decryption. These are the keywords for the content that I will be writing in the page. Meta name equal to author, content equal to the author's name. So that is about the meta information for this page. Now we come to the body section. BG color equal to Alice blue. This will set the background color for the entire web page to be Alice blue. Next, I have some content pre-written with me and that I will paste here. This is plain text that I have written already and I have pasted it here. I want encryption to be the H1 heading /H1. Next is the P tag and my paragraph ends here, so I will say /P. Again another P tag for the paragraph /P. Let us save this and see it in the browser. Save as home.html. Here it is. Encryption has been highlighted as the heading and the rest has been formatted as a paragraph. Encryption home is the title that we specified within the title tag. You can see that the meta information is not displayed anywhere on the page because that is hidden and it is only the meta information about the page which is read by the search engines. Let's go back and add some more content here. In the P tag, there is an attribute title using which you can specify the content of the paragraph in a few words. For example, this paragraph talks about encryption. So I have given the paragraph a title, what is encryption? Save, go back and check what difference does it make. So I do not see any change, but when I will hover the mouse over this paragraph, it will show me as a tooltip or as a caption next to the cursor that this paragraph is about the definition for encryption. If I move the cursor anywhere else, that will go away because that title belongs to only this specific paragraph. It will not be displayed on the other part of the content of the web page. Let's go back. I want to make this bold. /P Next, I want to make this encryption bold as well. So B and /B, and I want to make this cipher text bold as well. All these terms will be highlighted as bold. Home and cipher. Why have I written this is because I want to make them hyperlink. How do we do that? First of all, we say A, anchor tag, href, that is the reference to the file where it should be redirected to, home.html. On what text or content should it be anchored? That is the home word. So A and /A. This specific hyperlink will end here. Next, cipher. A href is equal to cipher.html/A. As of now, I do not have cipher.html, so it will not be redirected anywhere, but we will create it in a while. So I have one link for the home and one link for cipher, and I also want them to be centrally aligned, so we will say center, which applies to both home and cipher, and I also want them to be bold, so B. Remember, what starts first ends last, so center starts first, B starts after center, so B will have to end before center, so /B and /center, and we close the body and HTML, save, go back to the browser, and here you can see that the bold that I specified has been set to bold, and there are two links, home and cipher. Home will redirect to this page itself because that is the hyper reference that I have given. Cipher, the page does not exist, so the file was not found. Let's go back, file, new, and I will copy this part to the new page that I want to define for cipher, and I will change the title cryptography, and in the keyword I will write cryptography again. Here I want the background color to be different. Let us close the body tag and close the HTML tag. And then we have some text for cryptography that I've already written, so I have just copied and pasted it here from Word document. Again, cryptography needs to be a heading, and then we start with the paragraph tag, end paragraph here, again start a paragraph, end the paragraph tag. Next, I want to make cryptography strong. This is another tag that you can use for formatting, which is similar to bold but in a different format. Next, I will go here and specify title equal to cipher text. Let us say I want to give a break in between here, br tag for break, and I will say the same formatting for home and cipher, which is center, bold, a href equal to home.html, home and /a, then a href equal to cipher.html /a /b for closing the bold tag, and /center for closing the center tag. And finally, we have closed the body and HTML. So let's save it. save as cipher.html, and let's go back. Alright, so here is cipher.html. This is a strong format that I applied in place of bold. Here I had given a break, and here I also mentioned title for this specific paragraph. As you can see, it is showing the title here, and it will also show the title on the last line, although I had given a break. But the paragraph tag does not end there. The paragraph tag ends after information. So the title will be applied beginning from cipher to the end of the paragraph, that is cipher, even though there is a break in between. So whatever is a property of a tag, that will continue to be prevalent till the tag is closed. The title will not appear on the first paragraph, but it will appear from the beginning of the second paragraph tag till the end of second paragraph tag. That's what you can see here. The beginning of the second paragraph tag till the end of second paragraph tag, even though there is a break in between. Now coming to the hyperlink. So I have two hyperlinks now, home and cipher. Now when I click on home, it will take me to the home page. When I click on cipher, it will take me to the cipher page. This is how we get hyperlinks on the internet while surfing the web pages. So a website is a collection of web pages. This is how we develop each and every web page, and we link them together through these hyperlinks using the anchor tag. So I hope this was helpful in understanding HTML a little more. There are a lot of tags in HTML. These are just a few very important tags that we need to know for formatting and for understanding the hyperlinks. So that's about this video. Thank you very much.